Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. Next video, I'd like to do one on Samsung Galaxy's new S24 Ultra, and this video I'd like to go over the screen timeout. So there's a couple things with our timeout here. First off, let's get to where we need to be here. So we'll go into Settings, scroll down to Display, scroll down again to Screen Timeout. And in here, of course, we have the self-explanatory when your screen turns off: 15, 30 seconds, a minute, 22 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay, I tend to keep this around the 15 to 30 second mark, and you're probably thinking, well, that's way too quick. If I use my phone, I set it down, it turns off. That's the whole idea. You want your phone to turn off when you're not using it or you're not looking at it. So I'll keep this to 30 seconds, but normally I have it set to 15. But the bottom one is the one we want to be concerned with. Keep screen on while viewing. So with this ability, it keeps the screen on while you're looking at it, using the front camera to detect your face. So instead of using your phone and all of a sudden after 30 seconds, it just shuts off, it won't, because it's sensing you looking at the phone, and it will keep the phone on. Now, if I were to set this phone down, then it automatically starts the 30 seconds and it'll kick its display off then, which in turn saves battery, in turn saves your phone. So this is a really good feature. I wanted to let everybody know, because keep the screen on while viewing, like I said, will save your battery and helps you to keep your screen on when you want it on, instead of it shutting off all the time. So that's my video. I hope you found them to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Click the new thank you button if you're really pleased with my videos. And until next time, I'm out.